All right, my dears. This is the second week's FAQ questions so far, so I'm trying to answer them. The first question I see here is the last question on the Desmos activity that was given to you. So let's look at that. It is talking about transformations where negative on the a function would be a reflection over x-axis, or should it be written as a vertical stretch using -1 as a multiplier? I would say both in this case. It represents both ways. Okay, so moving on to the next question which I received. These two questions are based on horizontal or vertical dilations. I want to clarify that using a Desmos. So we'll go to the vertical stretch or compression first. Um, so looking at here, I took a Desmos to explain this to you. X squared is the original parent function, which is in red color, and this is in purple color. This is 1/3 x squared. So there is a vertical compression by a factor of 1/3. So let's see how this looks like. If you look at these 2 points here on both the graphs, this will actually show you that the -1 and -1, the x values are the same, right? The x coordinates are the same, but the y values or the y coordinates have changed. So it has changed from 1 to 1/3 or 0.33. So the y values are changing in a vertical dilation. All right. Likewise, in horizontal dilation, the x values will change and not the y. If you see both happening, it means that the function has both vertical and horizontal dilations. I hope this helps. The next question is about the translations, horizontal translation, the naughty child. So here I have f of x squared, which is in red again, and I have blue f of x minus 3. So the function's definition, f of x minus 3, saying that x minus 3 is going to the right. So if you see the point here, it is 3 comma 0, isn't it? So if we label that, so this is 3 comma 0, right? So the 3 comma 0 is changing from 0 comma 0, right? Only if you add the 3 to the x coordinate, it has become 3. So that is what is happening. So when you are actually moving from the origin to the right side, which is the transformation, it is actually going 3 units to the right, which you see in the coordinates, but the function definition is written as f of x minus 3, right? And likewise with f of x plus 3. Here, this time it is moving to the left. And what are the coordinates? It's -3 comma 0. How did the negative come? By subtracting from 0. So that means it is going 3 units to the left, but the function itself is moving left. So you'll say it's moving left 3 units. So it is f of x plus 3. So that's how you see the behavior of horizontal translation, and that's why this is naughty behavior. Okay, that's why we call it naughty child. I hope this helps. Keep the questions coming. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.